This is the final video to fix cannot download Potassium Roblox Executor, and I will keep it simple and clear for you. Are you facing this problem right now where Potassium fails to download or stops halfway? This issue happens because your browser blocks the file, your antivirus flags as unsafe, or your network settings stop unknown downloads. Sometimes Roblox updates also break older download links and cause this error. Many videos on YouTube and posts on social media confuse people with long steps, risky files, and unclear settings that waste your time and still do not work. On Rexist, I share clean and easy fixes, and today I will show you a secret easy trick that works fast. First, you change one small browser setting that allows the file download. Next, you pause your antivirus for a short time so it does not block the file. Then, you use a safe mirror link that actually works with the latest Roblox update. This method avoids errors, saves time, and keeps your PC safe when you follow it correctly. I tested this trick on multiple systems, and it fixed the issue every time. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with screen guidance, comment below and tell me, and I will post it on Rexist just for you.